Today, I'm going to unbox the Organize 365 Household Operations Binder. All Organize 365 binders come with a binder and a packet of inserts. Let's go through the binder first. This binder is special custom designed for Organize 365. It lays flat, and if you need to be sitting somewhere and looking at your binder, it will fold flat behind you. It is a 2-inch binder, which I think is the perfect size, not too big, not too small. It has a D-ring binder, which allows everything to lie flat and not get bowed. There's a one-touch open and close binder ring. There are pockets on the inside and outside of the binder, and once assembled, you'll see that it has an extra long back to make sure that the tabs of your dividers do not bend. Now I'm going to set this binder over to the side and let's go through the packet. This binder comes with a packet of printables, the biggest packet that we have for any of the binders, 2 business card holders, and a set of slash pockets that matches the binder. I'm going to go ahead and put the slash pockets into the binder and then we'll go through the packet. I like to put the business card holders right on top for any business cards that I have that will be related to this binder. Now, when you buy the Household Operations Binder, you're going to get a digital copy of this packet, and you can download it and print out as many sheets as you want. Additionally, if you're in All Access, you can get an editable download as well. So let's take a look inside. The Household Operations Binder is kind of like a lesson plan for your house. I was a teacher, and that's kind of how I designed this binder. These are all of the things that you do throughout the year that are unique to just you and your family. And let me show you how many pages that is. Like, we have a lot of printables in here related to all of the things that your family may or may not do. So I'm going to, through the magic of technology, show you a binder that is actually already completed. In this table of contents, we've given you 5 general sections for how we've set up the binder, and then you can adapt it on your own. First, we're going to start with general information. I loved being a babysitter, and one of the things I loved about being a babysitter was filling out all the information I needed to do as a babysitter, and that's kind of where we got this general information. If someone's going to come to your house, take care of your pets, take care of your kids, those kinds of things, what do they need to know? So we have basic household information, an adult family information sheet. This sheet is in a lot of our binders because this is the information that you need on a regular basis. We have that for children as well, all the basics that you want. Childcare information, that's for those babysitters or anyone taking care of your kids. Of course, you can't leave out the pets. Emergency information, like where do you keep things in your house? Evacuation planning. And then this is awesome. So again, just general information. What are all the family clothing sizes? You may have them memorized, but the next time you guys go through and do a deep dive in your closet and clean everything out, figure out what sizes you actually are today. Important dates trackers, that's family birthdays. And then utility company information in case anything were to happen and you were not at home. Section 2 is all about meal planning. This is where you would keep your recipes or new diets that you want to try, any of that information you want to pull out of your Sunday basket and into a binder. And in here we have a lot of different meal planning tips. So you can cook by weekly meal planning. We have a master grocery list. Favorite meals by main ingredient. So you have a lot of chicken. What do you like to make with that? Favorite meals by theme. And my favorite, the takeout food directory. The next section is household cleaning. And in here we have a couple of checklists for you. We have a weekly household cleaning checklist and a spring and fall household cleaning checklist. Then general household maintenance. This is where you would list all of your frequently used service providers. We have another seasonal home maintenance checklist for you. We have a home maintenance log for all those things you need to do on a regular basis. A home improvement wish list, my favorite again. Rarely used items tracker. This is also in the planner we're going to talk about later if you're in the 100-day program, but this is when you put away everything for the turkey because you only make one turkey a year and you want to remember where you kept all those things. So that's where you would put rarely used items before you tuck them away. Things that have been loaned and borrowed from you. And then infrequent task instructions, like how do you program the garage door opener, things like that you do very rarely, but when you need to do them, where are the instructions for those? Go ahead and write them out in here, or you can use a sheet protector and include that information. A battery tracker, car supply checklist, teen driver log. That's all in section 4. And then section 5 is probably the most fun and the thing that is most unique to you and your family, and that's how you do holidays and special events. So we have a lot of sheets in here that you can use that obviously you won't use all of them. They'll just depend on what's going on in your family right now. We have a house guest hospitality checklist, things to explore in your city, graduation party tracker, which is a couple pages long, a road trip itinerary and checklist and bucket list, a summer break planner, summer planning process, and that summer planning page that I often reference online, that's here in this binder. Then we get into the holidays. So American Thanksgiving, we have quite a few pages in here for that, and a lot for Christmas, your budget, your planner, your decorations, gift ideas, gifts that have been purchased, things you want to bake, how you wrap it up at the end of the year, and then kid birthday parties and general holiday parties. The Household Operations Binder is available on its own, or it comes also as part of All Access. Remember, you do get a digital download of everything that's included inside of the binder, and if you want it to be editable, that is part of the All Access membership. This is the final 4 of our basic 4 binders. These are the basic 4 binders that you need to completely ditch your filing cabinet. It'll take care of everything you need to sell your house in order to take care of your finances, the medical needs of your family, and then how you as a family do work. All of these are included as part of All Access, or you can buy them individually.